Marcus International Managing Award bears the name of Professor Marcus. He is right now 101 years old. Tomorrow, he will have a Zoom. The first in the plenary lecture tomorrow, it will be his lecture. He participated in our conference in Paphos, Cyprus in 2019. He was 96 years old. He came 25 hours on a plane, came to us. And this time, he will not present something, but he will have a question and answers on Zoom tomorrow at 8:20. He's 101 years old from California Institute of Technology. We established this award honoring his name. And who is the winner? The winner is Şevket Erol. Congratulations, congratulations. So which means that you have to live and manage the company until 101 years old, minimum. Just keep it like this. That is this one. So in the field of management, he's a CEO, Chief Operating Officer.
Yeah. Thank you, Dr. Kongoli. We embraced sustainability through science and technology in all our activities at Yildirim Group. I think SIPS is the best place to emphasize this. Thank you very much. To get this award, it is very honor for me and pleasure for me at first participation of the SIPS. Thank you very much.
Congratulations. Congratulations.